guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a snack surprise from all around the world, and this one is from Germany. And first we're going to try these crisps.
They're nice.
Try this. I do not like that. So now I'm going to try these little puffer bubble things. Tastes like bubblegum.
Nice.
Yeah, I think it might turn into bubblegum.
Yep.
That smells really spicy.
Take a little bit. The smallest bit.
I'll try it.
No, not for me. So now I'm going to try this. Is that called nuts something? Because that kind of
Corny big.
has nuts in it, so you might want to be careful. Toy bonbons.
Okay.
So now I'm going to try this a toy bonbon thingy.
A
Ahoy bonbon. Cherry flavour. Oh, sour! Oh, look how! Oh! So now I'm going to try this Nutella thing. Just been running around because that was so sour.
Go. It's nice, isn't it?
I like the Nutella, but the outside.
It's like an ice cream cone, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the middle.
Yeah. Isn't they?
Bite the middle, proper. Go another one, go another one.
Can't have two.
Can I try? Look, you can see the red on it.
You got to try it though.
I
For the
don't want
channel. It's for your channel.
They are
That's
hot.
nice.
You
The
ain't been
middle.
middle yet.
No, I'm not
Go on.
trying it.
Get him in there. It's not that hot.
Can I take that Milky Bar?
Which one's it?
That's nice.
That one.
That's really nice.
No, that one. Setty Bumba.
It's called Pick Me Up.
I'm going to call this Pick Me Up.
That's what it's called.
It's Oreo.
It's basically Oreo, isn't
Yeah.
it? Not like?
Not that.
It's basically Cola meets Tango Orange. Go.
And it's green though. That's actually nice. That's cherry flavour.
Nice?
That's cherry as well.
Nice?
Yeah.
What's your verdict on the Germany box?
Germany. I
What would you
don't.
give it out of 10?
I'd probably give it out of the sweets and out of one of the sweets, I'll give it a 10. For the other stuff, 4.
Snack surprise. Sponsor us.
And please give us loads of views and thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.